In the last couple of videos, we went ahead and used an alert text box or pop-up box to display data. In this one, let's learn how to actually work with the page in JavaScript. So right here in my HTML, I could say something right here, and as soon as I save that, it'll get updated on the page. Well, I want to be able to put JavaScript onto the page. So I'm going to right-click here. I'm going to hit Inspect. These are my development tools. I have some videos in the description on how to use them, but if I click on my console, I can do stuff here. So we're going to start there. I'm going to go to my JavaScript file, and I'm going to say console.log, and I'm just going to say document. Okay, document is a built-in JavaScript object. We talked about what an object was in our last course, but look what happens when this gets logged. Okay, so it actually shows what is in the document of my page. Okay, so I can access things inside of the HTML. Now the interesting thing is if I use a sources tab and put a breakpoint right here and hit refresh that it loads it, I can hover over document. Again, there's a video on how to do what I'm doing right now in the description. And I can see everything that is in this JavaScript object, and I can work with this. And so if I wanted to actually put something onto the page, so let me let that go. I'm going to come back to my text editor, and let's go ahead and make a space to put something in here. So I'm just going to make a paragraph tag with an ID of, we'll say output. Okay, so we have a paragraph element, and then we'll have an output ID. Okay, now if I load this up in the browser, nothing shows up here because I don't have anything in my paragraph. I can say this is a paragraph and save it, and now you can see that that paragraph is actually showing up here. I can click on elements, I can look at the body and see that there's a paragraph. Okay, well now I want to put something into that paragraph with JavaScript, and we'll do that in our next video.